How to make money on Gelato print on demand. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money by running a business on Gelato. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to gelato.com and you will land on this platform right here. Gelato is a print on demand platform that allows you to create your online store where you can sell a variety of products. Gelato is a well-known platform with a lot of different integrations and tools for us. On Gelato, we will be able to create our own customized store and then create our own print on demand products. All you do is you simply add and design your product, and then Gelato prints it for you, and you can create a successful business online by just sitting at home. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. First of all, you will need to sign up for Gelato. So the signing up process starts from here. You will find the option sign up now. Once you click on sign up now, it will take you to a new window where you can sign up or log in with your Google account. We can also sign up with Facebook and Apple. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and sign up with Google. Once you sign up, this is where you will get the signing up process is really easy. It literally takes 1 minute. And after the initial sign up, this is the main dashboard that you get on Gelato. Let me show you around. So we have home, product catalog, orders, stores, analytics, Gelato Plus subscriptions, billing, setting, developer, what's new, and support. Then you will find the recommendations right here. We can check out different products that we can create on Gelato. Like we can create classic women t-shirt, then we can classic unisex t-shirts, or maybe hoodies or baby, anything you want to create. So these are going to be the product recommendation. Then as we have just created the Gelato account, so you will see that we have 3 steps. We have connect store, create a product, and then publish store. So the first step is going to be choosing a platform. Click on choose platform, and it will allow you to simply connect your store that you already have where you will be selling these products, right? So you have to connect your store. Now you can connect your Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, and Amazon, eBay. Then we have Weebly and others. So let's say that I want to connect my Wix. What I will do is I will click on connect, and it will take me to my Wix platform, to my store that I have created on Wix. So you can see I have these sites right here on Wix, and I will select this one. You can see it's really easy to connect your store to Gelato, and that's the first step that you need to do. I am connecting my Wix, and there you go. My Wix has been connected to my Gelato. Perfect. Now we have our own shop. If you do not have shop, then you can simply go ahead and create a shop on Etsy, WooCommerce, Shopify, or we can also create a custom store if we want to right here on Gelato. So to create a brand new store, you will click on this create option, and it will allow you to create a store here. And I can just add a name, for example, Sway Closet. That's my store, and I can create a brand new store on Gelato as well. So you click on add store, and there you go. You have your own store. That is how we simply connect stores to Gelato. That's the first step. Now we will add a product. To add a product, you can go to product catalog from here, or you can click on add product, and then we also get the add product option here. I'm going to click on add product, and it will allow me to add a product to my this store right here. Now we have to choose a product. We get a lot of different categories on Gelato. We have men's clothing, women's clothing, wall art, mugs, photo books, card, calendar, stationery, and business. So I actually work in clothing. Actually create a women's clothing today. I'm gonna create a t-shirt, like a classic t-shirt. Even in women's clothing, we have t-shirts, tank tops, long sleeves, organics, sweatshirts, hoodies, and whatever. So I'm gonna click on t-shirt. It will open up more options for me. So within a product, there are different ways we can actually choose. So now in t-shirt, I can select from different fabrics, and I can select from different necks and different sleeves. So we have a classic t-shirt, we have cotton one, premium women's v-neck t-shirt. So I'm gonna go with this one. This one looks pretty good. Simply select it, and there you go. Now we will be able to design our product right here on Gelato very easily. So this is the front of our product right here, and this is going to be the back. Now I will be able to add a product right here on the front. In here we have layers. If you want to work in layers, you can just simply select layer and you can add more layers to your t-shirt right here. Or we can just simply create a very basic print on demand. You can go to files and choose a file because we will actually need our print that we want to print on the t-shirt. Okay, maybe it's a print your customer sent you, that this is the print they want, their picture with their dog, or maybe with their spouse. So whatever picture they have sent you, or you're actually creating a design by yourself, you will simply select the design that you have created. Now, when it comes to creating a design, don't worry, there are a lot of platforms out there. You can use Canva, you can use Photopea, you can use any kind of editing software to create a design. And you can also get inspiration from Google, Pinterest, Etsy, and many other platforms. Do your search and find trending prints. So once you have saved them on your computer, click on choose file. I'm going to click on my device and it will open up my computer right here, and I'm going to quickly go ahead and select the design. So I have uploaded my design right here. Now all you have to do is drag and drop it right here, and it will be dropped here. So you can see it looks pretty good on my t-shirt, and this is the design that I wanted. Now I can go to back, and in back, if you want to go for a text, we can add simple text to a t-shirt as well. So let's just for an example, I'm gonna go ahead and again add the text right here. We can do it, and I can actually choose from different fonts here. All of the fonts are available, and we can select from very cool fonts. We can also change the size and alignment if we want to. So that is how we simply add text to our product right here. But for now, I'm not gonna add a text, so I'm gonna remove it, and I will just create a simple t-shirt with this design on the front. Then we have warnings. If you have any warnings, like if the quality is not good and they want you to kind of like make it a bit smaller, and if your image is blurry, they will actually show you right here. Then we have layouts, and we can change the layout of the image. If you want to add more than one image, you can select the layout. Then we have more settings such as grid and bleeds. So once you've added the design right here, you can click to details, or you can actually preview your product. So when we click on preview, then it will show us the preview of our product, like what the product will look like. And this is what I have created, very simple design. Now I will continue to details. Then we have the description right here. This is the title for my t-shirt, description, and other details, for example size and what is the care instruction. So that is how we simply create our own products on Gelato and make money. I can sell this product now, and it is completely free to design a product. I am investing $0. I'm going to be making money with Gelato. So simply click on save now, and your product will be saved, and it will all of your products will be shown here. And now I can move this product to my store. It will also be shown on my store right here because I have created a brand new product. You can see I'm also getting the preview on the models, and my product actually looks pretty amazing. So now what we can do is we can simply go ahead and start selling our product that we have created on Gelato and get our orders. All of your orders will be shown here. You can of course set a price for your product for whatever you want to sell it for. I can sell this t-shirt for $30 or maybe $35 and earn my money. So that is how you can also make money with selling, by selling different products, by selling print on demand products using Gelato. And it's a very easy business. It will allow you to create your online store and sell your products by just sitting at home and running a successful business and becoming your own business owner. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to make money using a Gelato. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.